Welcome to Low Risk High Return Investing 101, the basics you need to know. Investing can be intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we'll cover the fundamentals of low risk high return investing, so you can start seeing the benefits of investing without worrying about the risks. Let's get started. Low risk high return investing is just as it sounds, investing in low risk assets that have the potential for high returns. These types of investments are often seen as a safer alternative to riskier investing strategies, such as day trading or stock picking. By investing in low-risk options, such as index funds or bonds, you can see average returns of around 4 to 7%, without the stress of constantly monitoring your investments. There are many different types of low-risk high-return investments to choose from. Some examples include index funds, which are a type of mutual fund that tracks a particular market index, such as the S&P 500. Bonds are also a popular low-risk option. They're essentially loans to companies or governments, and you get paid interest on your loan. Savings accounts, CDs, and money market accounts are also low-risk options, but they typically offer lower returns. The benefits of low-risk high-return investing are many. First and foremost, you can see decent returns on your investments without taking on too much risk. This means your money is safe, and you can still grow your wealth over time. Additionally, many low-risk investments are easily accessible and have low fees, making them a great option for beginners. Finally, investing in low-risk options can offer peace of mind, knowing that your hard-earned money is working for you, without keeping you up at night worrying about market fluctuations. Congratulations, you now have a basic understanding of low-risk high-return investing. Remember to always do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With a little patience and discipline, you can make your money work for you without worrying about the risks. Thanks for watching.